The opt-in process for PAYE taxpayers not enrolled in My Future Fund. This video outlines 1. Who can opt in to the My Future Fund Retirement Savings Scheme? 2. A walk-through video of the participant portal and also includes 3. A step-by-step guide how PAYE taxpayers can do this on the My Future Fund employee portal. Employees under 23 or over 60 can opt in voluntarily. If you are under 23 or over 60 years of age or earn less than €20,000 a year, you will be able to opt in if you wish. All auto enrollment conditions such as contributions from the employer, the employee and the state will apply for employees who opt in. PAYE workers will be able to use their MyGov credentials to log in to the employee portal. You can register for a verified MyGovID account on the website www.mygovid.ie or by downloading the MyGovID app for free in app stores. Through the portal, you will be able to view your savings, including the contributions from you, your employer and the state, and any investment returns. You will also be able to view administration fees deducted from your account. You will be able to manage your investment strategy and change from the default to the high, medium or low risk options. You will also be able to use the portal to exercise your right to opt out, suspend contributions or opt in to the scheme. We have a separate guide done on this called PAYE Employees Step-by-Step Guide on how to use and navigate the My Future Fund portal. This is Paula here at Boyle Payroll Project Management, Ireland's premier payroll providers for small businesses and first choice tax agents for PAYE workers to claim tax credits and complete their income tax returns and many more services. Use the contact tab on our website www.bppm.ie to inquire about us processing your company's payroll or completing your PAYE income tax return and making sure you are claiming all your tax reliefs and tax credits. Here we are on My Future Fund. To access the participant portal, please go to the Participants tab on myfuturefund.ie here. You can log in with MyGovID. You can also log into the portal option. Please note that you must have a verified MyGovID account to access My Future Fund participant portal. If you have a basic account, you will receive an unauthorized access message. Go to MyGovID to verify your basic account. If you have a verified account, you can proceed with MyGovID. Please log in with your MyGovID credentials and you will be directed to the participant portal. If you have not been enrolled in My Future Fund, you will be invited to join by selecting Continue. Here it will be explained to you what you need to know about opting in. Once you have read through all the information available to you and you decide that you would like to opt in, please select this button and then select Confirm. Your request to opt in to My Future Fund has been submitted. We're reviewing your request and once a decision has been made, you should receive a notification to your mailbox. I hope you found this video helpful. For more updates and helpful guides, please follow our community Facebook page, Boyle Payroll Project Management, for payroll, press releases, income tax and other PAYE and revenue updates. Or join our Facebook group for PAYE workers called Payroll Matters in Ireland, where you can ask and get answers to your work, PAYE, income tax and many more other pay-related matters. If you have not already joined, please free to follow us on Facebook. Go on. Hit that follow button. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. See you next time.